Morning to you. We're dealing with some areas of fog for this morning. Now, not so much in Boston, but as you move north and inland, that's where we're seeing the worst of it. Spring trend as we move through the afternoon and into the next couple of days to start this week. But by the end of the week, a potential coastal storm, even a nor'easter, as it takes on a very strong northeasterly wind. Here's what's going on right now in Boston. You can see some clouds still overhead, but those are expected to clear this afternoon, sitting at 40 degrees with just a bit of a wind, making it feel like it's in the 30s. That fog I was referencing, lowering visibility as we move out through northern Worcester County, heading out into Franklin County and through much of New Hampshire, where there is a fog advisory in effect. We have temperatures right now a bit cooler as you move inland, 31 degrees in Orange, cold enough where we could see some slick spots on our roadways and even stretching up through areas of New Hampshire as well. But region-wide, we're warming up quickly. We're well through the 40s as we move through later this morning, crossing into the lower 50s this afternoon, with more of that sunshine breaking through. In particular, we'll see for Boston a high of just about 54 degrees expected, upper 40s as you move inland, lower 50s as you stretch down to the south and onto the Cape. Tonight, quite a bit colder, so get ready for the chill. We're dropping down into the lower 30s. It's a little bit closer to that freezing point, but at least we will stay dry and clear. Then we fast forward into Thursday night, and that's when we see the potential for nor'easter trying to develop. Now, there's some uncertainty with the track, but here's a look at what the current models are suggesting. And as we move into Thursday night, we start to see that chance of rain moving into the area. There's some question as whether we'll start to see that rain change over to snow, but regardless, we are looking to see the likelihood of heavy precipitation, especially as we move down to the south, as it does seem that this system is taking on a more southerly track. With its position, we'll likely see a very strong northeast wind. And so that will help to pull in that cooler air, but more so what it will do is bring on that onshore wind, which means that we could see some coastal flooding issues. That northeast wind is persistent right on through the day on Friday night, and it sticks around right on into Saturday and likely even into Saturday night. So with that persistent northeast wind, coastal issues are looking likely. Heavy precipitation. There's still some question though in the specific track, so the rain or snow potential is still in question at this point. Let's focus in on the 7-day forecast because initially all clear, sunshine, highs climbing up. We're into the upper 50s as we approach Wednesday, and a few spots, especially as we move inland, could even cross into lower 60s north of Boston. Then we have impact weather days for Friday and Saturday with the potential for that storm. And there's still some uncertainty with the track, but what's looking more certain is the fact that we're likely going to see some coastal issues, mainly because already we have astronomically higher tides for Thursday right on into the weekend. Then you throw in what's likely going to be a very strong northeast wind for Friday and Saturday, and that means for the afternoon high tides on both of those days, we're likely going to see some surge developing, and that means coastal flooding for both of those days, something we'll have to watch through much of the weekend.